Hello all. In this video, I'll make you understand regarding certain health benefits of black carrots, and I'm going to share a very interesting recipe with you all regarding black carrots. So let us start. Carrots, scientific name Decus carota. It consists of various vitamins and minerals. Vitamins like B4, C, B3, E, B5, B6, B1, B2 and vitamin A. The various minerals which are present within carrots are potassium, sodium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc and manganese. Moreover, carrots are full of moisture. It has about 86% moisture, 0.9% proteins and 0.2% fats. The carbohydrates which are present within carrots are about 10.6% and it is full of crude fiber. As far as the colors are concerned, carrots are available worldwide in many colors like white, yellow, red, orange, purple and black. Variation in colors depends on the concentration of anthocyanins. It's an important constituent which is present within carrots. So the color, particularly purple and black, is due to the higher concentration of anthocyanins within them. Orange and yellow colored carrots are, however, high in beta carotene. As far as the health benefits of black carrots are concerned, they have lots and lots of health benefits. Let us see few of them. They have tendency to fight against cancer. They are excellent boost for your body against cancerous cells. Antioxidants which are present within black carrots help to neutralize the cancerous activities in the body. The second one, they have tendency to improve vision. Antioxidants here are capable to slow down the development of cataracts. As a result, your eyesight is improved. It aids in digestion as well. Since they are high in dietary fiber, this can be considered as an excellent source for an healthy digestive system. They have tendency to decrease cholesterol levels. Dietary fiber which is present within black carrots help to lower down the cholesterol levels and regulate the release of insulin and glucose in the body. As a result, they can also be effectively consumed by diabetic patients. They are also effective in various kinds of skin problems like eczema. They have tendency to boost immunity since they are packed with vitamin C. You can get relief from various kinds of post-surgery infections by consuming this in your regular diet. They are effective in arthritis, knee pain and ulcers, and they have a highest ability to treat Alzheimer's disease. Black carrots are particularly good in bacteria, means they have a good proportion of good bacteria, healthy bacteria which are essential to us, right? So even the kids which are suffering from like worms kind of disorders, you can make them eat this black carrots and they would be free of those worms within their stomach. Now the next thing which I would like to share is regarding a probiotic drink which is prepared widely within Asian countries like India and Pakistan. It's commonly known as kanji. So let us see how can you make this. Black carrots we need to have 4 to 6. However, I will suggest if in your area, if you are not having black carrots, you can also take the normal carrots available to you in your local markets, and along with that you can add about 1 to 2 beetroots, right? So let us see the ingredients. So we need to have black carrots, then you need to have yellow mustard seeds, about 2 tablespoons, rock salt as per your taste, and water about 1 to 1.5 liters. Procedure: you need to initially remove peels of carrots finely, then cut the carrots within pieces of about 2 inches. Next, you can take a glass jar or a clay pot. Preferably you should take a clay pot. But however, if you do not have one, you can also take a glass jar. But try to avoid any kind of metal container. Next thing, what you do is you place carrots within the pot, add the powdered or the crushed yellow mustard seeds to it, followed by addition of rock salt. As far as the addition of green chilies are concerned, it's perfectly optional. It depends on your taste if you want to add it or not. However, green chilies has their own benefit. It is also full of vitamin C. So if you want to add, you can add it, say about 2 chopped green chilies as well. Then pour the water. You need to cover this jar with the lid and place the pot in the sunlight for about 3 to 4 days. As soon as you start placing it within the sunlight, your fermentation process will initiate, right? And your drink would be ready within 3 to 4 days. So you can consume this soothing super tonic drink whenever you feel like, right? But try to avoid it in your dinner times. So you can take it in a good amount, say about 1 to 2 cups, either in your breakfast or in your lunch, right? But why you need to avoid in your dinner is because it can result in cold and cough. So try to avoid it. You can consume this soothing super tonic within about 1 to 2 weeks. That's for today. Thanks for watching.